Hi, this is Questions from Clients, and today we're going to talk about RESPs. RESPs are a very effective way to save money for your child's post-secondary education, in that you receive grants from the government when you make contributions to the RESP. An RESP will provide you with 20% grants from the government when you make contributions, and you can receive up to $500 a year in grants. However, if you've missed some years of making contributions, you can go back and you can receive up to $1,000 a year of the current year's grants and previous year's missed grants. You can continue to receive grants for your child until your child's 17, so long as you've started making contributions prior to their age 16. When you go to withdraw from an RESP, although there are some rules and regulations, it's actually fairly simple to make a withdrawal from the RESP. When your student starts university or post-secondary, so long as they're in a qualified post-secondary institution, you can begin withdrawals. The student will need to provide proof of enrollment, and from there, RESP withdrawals can be made. There's no limit to how many dollars of contributions are taken out. However, in the first year of school, there's a limit to how much grant and growth can be taken out in the first 13 weeks of school. The nice thing about an RESP is that your contributions have already been taxed when you made the contribution initially to the RESP, and you won't pay any tax on the contributions when they are withdrawn. The grants and the growth are going to be taxed in the hands of your child. And so for many students, they don't pay tax or pay very minimal tax when they're students in university. And so an RESP is actually a very effective way to income split from your assets to your child's and potentially see no tax on the grants and the growth when that withdrawal is made. An RESP is an effective way to save money for your child's post-secondary education. And if you have questions about how to use one, please contact us and we'd be happy to help.